So today marks a milestone for me. I have lost 60 pounds as of this morning. And I made myself a promise that when I had lost 50 pounds, I would start a YouTube channel because I've been greatly inspired by others who have lost weight and they have shared their journey and what they did because what they did and also what I have done is not what we've been told to do all of our lives. All of those things did not work. So I said that I would start a YouTube channel when I lost 50 pounds. This morning I've pulled a 60, yay, 60 whole pounds gone. I still have 70 pounds to go. And I drive a school bus. So this morning I was standing on the bus and talking to my little kindergartners and first graders, and one of the first graders said, "Bus driver, you've got," and I said, "Yes." She had a big gap between her two front teeth like I do, and I said, "Yes, I have a big gap between my two front teeth also." She said, "No, you've got something brown on your teeth." And I looked in the mirror and I was shocked that yes, if you can see, there is definitely something brown on my tooth. So I came home and I've been drinking tea every day. I've been drinking iced tea in the afternoon. That's just a tea stain. So I came home and I got some baking soda. I put some baking soda in a little cup and then I wet my finger and I smeared it. And actually the brown was on both of these two front teeth and it took it off. I just rubbed it on and it took it off. And I thought that is such a good hack. I wanted to share it with you while I do the other one. I hardly don't need a mirror. It is right here. Now you're gonna tell me when it's gone because I really can't tell. Is it gone yet? Look how beautiful that is. It's all gone. It's all gone. Baking soda. You don't have to bleach your teeth. You don't have to go to the dentist and pay all that money. Just get some baking soda. Rub it on.